There are many ways we can simplify our lives, but sometimes we get stuck in a routine and forget to move forward. All this and much more in today's episode of She Knows. Welcome to She Knows on Wonder Woman Wednesday. Women are multitaskers, and we get to hear this. We feel we can do a lot of things ourselves, but as we go along, some of us start feeling frustrated. But there are ways we can make our life easier so we can save time to do a few things that we love. Today, let's talk about some practical tips that can actually transform the day-to-day lives of us busy women. So these are some smart ways to manage time and responsibilities more effectively. Starting with something we all love, gadgets. So investing in the right kitchen gadgets can save us tons of time and effort. Imagine having a food processor to chop all your vegetables or the egg boiler for perfect eggs every time. The atta mixer to make your atta for your chapatis, bhature, or the yummy Mangalore buns. So these are not just convenience, they are necessities that free up your time for more important things in life. Technology. So this is another game changer that we normally don't give much thought to, but setting up automatic bill payments to avoid late fees and last minute hassles, using apps for scheduling appointments, reminders for daily tasks, saves us from all the stress of missing few things from the list. So adapting to these tech solutions can drastically reduce our daily stress. Money. Well, money can be used as a strategic tool, and it might sound straightforward, but spending money to free up your time is a wise investment. Hire help for household chores like cleaning or cooking if you can. Hire professional home cleaning services to get some cleaning done. Use catering services when you have family gatherings or special occasions to remove the pressure and the time involved. So sometimes it's about investing in your peace of mind and well being, and all this if you can. And finally, the most important advice of all, communicate, communicate, communicate. So we often assume that asking for help is a sign of weakness, but it's actually a sign of strength. We want to do everything ourselves, and we also feel bad when no one offers to help. So talk openly with your family, friends, and spouse about sharing responsibilities. Whether it's about household chores, whether it's about discussing your emotional labor, or just simply expressing whenever you're overwhelmed. Communication actually builds understanding and support and makes your life easier. So it's not just about doing it all on your own, it's all about smart management and seeking support. So thank you for joining us on this episode of Making Life Easy. And if you found today's tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Wonder Woman Wednesday. Remember, allowing yourself the space to breathe and lean on others is not just beneficial, it's important. And you deserve it. So until next time, keep shining and keep simplifying.